Taxonomic uncertainties in wolf, dog, and jackal lineages of Africa, Eurasia, and Australasia. Sorry. Um, Improved classification and research of Canis is crucial for its conservation. This paper includes necessary steps that should be taken for its preservation.
African wolves and golden jackals. African wolves and golden jackals were deemed to be in the same species from the late 20th to early 21st century. Now there have been some morphometric distinction, but no actual separation between the species due to the lack of comprehension of morphological studies. The genetic lineage of both species have had their own independent evolutionary history for quite some time now. Due to complications such as post-speciation gene flow and hybridization, there should be more sampling and analyzing to be able to classify them as different species.
Side-striped and black-backed jackals are two of the animals in question. Originally, they are both in the genus Canis. If classified as Canis, other genuses would need to be reclassified into this genus, and that was the problem that researchers ran into. These jackals are now classified as Lupulella hiltheimer. Debated that both side-striped and black-backed jackals may have had the same ancestors, but some say that they have always been different. However, that's not currently a supported theory.
The Himalayan wolf is located in the Tibetan Plateau and the Himalayan mountains. It's often confused for gray wolves because of its similarities in appearance and gray wolves mingling with the Himalayan wolf populations. There's been confusion over its taxonomic ancestry, but analysis into the Himalayan wolf shows that it has an ancestor going far back. Recommendation for further research into the Himalayan wolf is required, and it should be given the classification of Canis lupus jonco.
The Indian wolf, which is currently an endangered gray wolf, um, may have may be wrongly classified, and because of certain DNA strands, it is questionable whether or not this should be classified as a gray wolf or if it should be something else. And we need to research this to better protect these species. New Guinea singing dogs, which are currently classified as ancient dogs, are endangered species, and they are related to dingoes, which were once domestic dogs but adapted to the Australian environment and became ancient dogs. These New Guinea singing dogs are endangered and need to be better protected, and so we need to study them and see if they are actually domestic dogs or if they are ancient dogs.
In conclusion, after so many examples of suggestions and differentiations, more research needs to be conducted before we are able to separate or categorize the Canis family. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I'll crop this out, but I don't know how to stop the recording.